Perhaps I'm an emotional idealist. We are opening up a spectrum of their capacity. It's not a question of right or wrong. Anything they produce is part of their potential emotional vocabulary. And I want them to see it like that and perceive it like that. Just an extension of themselves. It's an interesting and subtle balance. It's all energy. It's the nature of how we use our energies.
Yeah, really. Okay, now stay there. And now what Kuz is very sweet, by giving her what she wants, we sort of automatically finish the improvisation because the opposition is what we're working on. But that's okay, that's okay.
What is acting? The attempt to recreate reality through a careful interchange of listening and speaking in the now.
This. Look, something you don't want. Is that something you want to?
You can have a great time.
Honouring yourself as an individual, bringing your own criteria. What does that mean? Your life, your problems, your everything. At the same time, not letting that get in the way of your flow. I want my Masterclass to enable people to find the fullness of what they can become. That's what I want. Yeah, I always want to become sentimental and verbose, and that is very bad. So I'll shut up. And you edit that out.
No.